Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iOS 26 update stuck on update requested. For example, if you want to download and install the latest version of the iOS 26 update and you have recently clicked on update, and after as you click on update you see that iOS 26 update has been stuck on update requested. So if you click on update now and after that you see an option update requested, then what you can fix that. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings again. And here what you have to do, you have to make some changes. So here you have to click on software update and you have to make sure that you have turned on the all toggles like iOS updates and security and response system files, and also you have turned on the iOS updates option. Moreover, if you want to download the beta version of the iOS 26 before anyone else, so you want to enjoy the iOS 26, then you have to make sure that you have turned on the iOS 26 developer beta. So what you have to do, you have to first of all join the developer account of create a developer account on your of your Apple ID on the Apple developer program, and after that you can simply click on software update and you can simply find that beta option available. So here we have to make sure that you have turned on the iOS 26 developer beta, and otherwise that iOS 26 option will not be available to you. So you have to make sure about that. So you can simply check for that the update requested. So if you see update requested, then what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time, and after that you have to simply cancel that download and you have to restart your device and you have to click on update again, so that you can simply get your update, because sometimes the iPhone server has so much load, so that it sets your update to pending status, so that when it is available to download, it will be available to download and your update will be ready and download and you will be able to install that update. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.